Alright, what's going on guys, and welcome to the video. I'm just filming in the garage to make this intro, but this video, I'm replacing my burnt out headlight in my Spec D tuning headlights. I love these headlights, but I think the bulbs that they put in are a little cheap because they burnt out pretty quick. And they're kind of like a yellow tint to them, but they are LED, apparently. So, AUXITO LED hooked me up with headlight bulbs. They helped me out with the FZ07's headlight bulb, as well as the Ranger's LED fog lights. So AUXITO has been there for me several times now. This is another time where they are helping me out. So we're gonna find out how good these headlights actually are, and we will go from there. Oh, hi. Oh, okay, I see. Is that the one?
What the fuck kind of bulb is this? Found on the road.
Oh my god, man! Leave me alone! Okay, well, he's busy criticizing my truck. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go hide over here. AUXITO, once again, coming in clutch with new bulbs, specifically for my headlight this time. Hopefully these will fit, I'm not so sure.
So here's your ground. We might be able to make something work, but this is gonna need some modification.
Will this even fit in the house? That's the question. In here.
Oh, that's the connector.
AUXITO, there we go. Okay, see, I didn't see the whole box. Okay, my fault, my fault.
You can't put this cap on, because you also want to be able to get airflow into this.
Yeah.
I didn't put it back on her car.
Yeah, I don't know why the aftermarket companies do that. I guess for their own liability.
Look at the cutoff line too. Cutoff sharp.
Yeah. At least, yeah, I like that color better too. Okay, so we'll be swapping both sides then. Dang, this thing's warm already too.
This one was on its way to be burnt out anyways.
How can you tell?
Look at the filament. It's like all twirly.
Yeah, these aftermarket companies use these cheap bulbs. The truck looks good from here though. I mean, hey, my lights, hey, the AUXITO LEDs are mid, not gonna lie. To thank AUXITO LED for supporting the LED headlight bulbs that look incredible in here actually. They're super clean. They match the rest of the LED bulbs, like the strips and the fog lights that, again, AUXITO sent me, the fog lights. So now it's all really one color, obviously aside from the grill light, which has a slight flicker in it, which is mildly concerning. Alright guys, so to close up this video, maybe do a little bit of a comparison, because I'm not sure how well I filmed replacing the headlights, but we can see the before headlight. Well, I was gonna say headlights, but kind of just the one. And after, you can see that the AUXITO headlights are, first of all, proper LED. I'm not sure what was in those headlights to begin with, but they kind of had I think they were halogen, but they were advertised as LED. But anyway, now the LEDs just pop on and off. They're brighter, they are more clear, better quality, and they have a nicer color to them. They match the fog lights, so it looks much better. But in terms of actually even night driving, they are way brighter than what was there. So the AUXITO headlights, quality, I recommend them. They're affordable, and like I said, they're reliable. I'm super happy with these headlight bulbs. It's a small thing, but I've LED converted every bulb on my truck now, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, every bulb on my truck is LED. And this was the final kind of piece to that puzzle. And these headlights, like I said several times now, they look great and they really complete the look and updating and refreshing all the lighting on the truck. So if you want to grab the set of these headlights, they're on auxito.com. I'll put a link in the description. I also have a discount code. I'll have that on the screen. So you can grab, I think it's 15% off. So be sure to check them out. If for any of your lighting needs, they'll hook you up. And with all that said, guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.